all about automation software. Is that right? Fastems.
Yeah, Fastems. It's not just software. Fastems do massive automation projects. I've not been lucky enough to go to Fastems, see the factory. I know you've been there.
I've been there.
Probably,
Absolutely fantastic facility.
Don't go in January.
Don't go into why? It's a little bit chilly.
No light.
No, really. It's not just cold.
No,
how were your gravel acts?
Yeah,
Good food, though. Good food.
Yeah, great place, but yeah, it was.
But one thing we've actually done a video, a great install in the UK, which was Cosworth, as a great example of the automation of machines. But anyway, don't steal your thunder.
Absolutely. No, don't worry about it. It's all right. So I've not had the pleasure of seeing the Fastems systems in person, but I know we've covered them a lot on the MTDCNC channel. But they're obviously based in Finland. A bit of history. They've been going for 40 years, and they've got 5,000 installations worldwide, all with about 100. What's interesting is not just with a certain machine tool brands, but with over 100 different machine tool brands as well. So it's not just an automation system where you're locked into using one machine tool brand as well. You can almost bring the machines you want to use. Then they can build the work holding and the pallet changing systems and the tool changing systems around the machines that you need.
Absolutely.
And
it's not new machine. You can retrofit these as well. So any machine essentially.
Yeah. I guess any machine you've got in. I guess you'd probably want to fit them with a newer machine tool for longevity. But the interesting thing as well is just the pure flexibility in terms of machine layout. So if your factory is not a brand new unit, you've got an existing unit, you've got to work around RSJs and where the roof's high enough, then you can build a whole pallet system around your factory as well.
And FPT, is that right?
Yeah, so they've got a flexible pallet system they're going to be showing off, which is for 4th and 5th axis machine tools. That's what they're going to be having on site. They've also got a new turret tool changer, which is their kind of first foray into turning automation, so they can actually change tools in a lathe turret. And I assume, again, following kind of that philosophy, you'll be able to bring your own lathe that you want to use. If you want to bring a MyLast machine tool, for example, or any of the huge different lathes available, sliding head or fixed, you can change tools in the turret using any new tool changer. So that's going to be on site as well.
Is that going to be on show?
Yeah, that's going to be on show, so the turret tool changer. Okay. So it sounds like it's probably quite a big stand they're showing off for those two systems at least.
And they've got shows going on throughout the week, so look at the schedule.
So they've got, I've got a schedule here. They've got, I think
Led
Tuesday,
into that one,
yeah, exactly. So they've got on Tuesday is How to Automate Tuesday. So they're going to be focusing on automating 4th and 5th axis machining centers, which again is just, I assume, showing off the flexible pallet system. And obviously the Fastems software that backs that up as well. So they've got a really, really complex, sophisticated system that helps to manage.
Not complex. Sophisticated. It's easy to use.
Yeah, exactly. But the problem is complex. Trying to schedule long batch runs with short batch runs, and when you need a lot of operator intervention, that's quite a complicated problem to solve. So you need the sophisticated
the software is phenomenal, isn't it? And it will schedule out numerous days in advance to keep that machine shop running.
So if you're interested in that, that's on Tuesday.
Tom's itching. Oh, sorry. Go on, Tom.
You got something
well, talking of Fastems, we've seen probably the most amazing thing I've ever seen using Fastems. So I had the privilege of going to the Netherlands to Rodin, so machine shop, who used an entire Fastems system to create a full, and I'm going to try and get this word right, autonomous machine shop.
Wow.
Just to clarify, he's been practicing that all day, and he said it's spot on.
They had a full autonomous machine shop with 2 Mazak integrators and 2 Mazak 5-axis, to the point where the entire machine shop had 1 person in it. And his entire job was to take the material off the lorry and put it into the system, and that was it. It went up into the system. So they built an entire factory around this one system.
Stop there. Sorry, go on.
What were they making? What was their end
anything?
part?
So it was a subcontract shop.
Really?
So you sent them a model.
Yeah.
So on their website, you sent them a model with the DXF with all your tolerances on, and it programmed it all. It did everything. It knew where the material. It was absolutely unreal.
I would say watch the videos on the MTDC. I don't want to stop. Well, I'm going to stop you there. Watch the videos on the MTDCNC channel. I'm going to cut you off there. But what is their stand? Where are they, please?
They're in Hall 10, A43.
Hall 10, A43. That's Fastems. Get yourself there. And sorry, we didn't. Tuesdays, Wednesday, Thursday?
Wednesday customer journey, which is solutions for daily shop floor manufacturing challenges. So if you've got general challenges in your shop floor, show up on the Wednesday. I'm sure it'll be kind of Q&A, really interactive. Thursday's tool management, so how you handle your cutting tools and your tool automation.
There you go, all about automation from Fastems. Thank you very much.
Brilliant.
Now they've also got networking at the AMB, and I have to say the UK section is at 12 p.m. on a Thursday. You'll be there because it's fish and chips as well.
Is that right?
Absolutely. So there you go. Not just all of us will go for fish and chips. So brown or red sauce. Anyway,
what makes you think I like fish and chips?
Nothing in particular.
Did I leave? What have I left? One.
Yeah.
On
Yeah, you got a chip on your shoulder.
Yeah.
There we go.
Can we just add as well? Sorry,
No.
if anybody is doing a post on social media for AMB, to not forget to use the AMB hashtag, because AMB will be looking. The actual event will be looking into people's posts and resharing them as well.
And I think that the actual event, speaking from having been at least probably 3 or 4 times now, it's so well laid out. It's so easy to navigate. There's a lot of these shows you go to around the world where you've got, Hall 2 over there and you've got Hall 5 half a mile away somewhere else, and you're on and off buses. This literally, it's hall next to each other, next to each other, next to each other. Escalators, so you'll be all right to go from one to the other. But it is very easy to navigate, and everything is split into the different disciplines. It's a straight at Stuttgart Airport as well. So
There you go.
wherever you come
couldn't be simpler. So Stuttgart now.